Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot data exports into Snowflake, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the reports section in HubSpot. Select the data you wish to export. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform the export. Click on the Export button. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. Once your file is prepared, download it to your local machine. Next, access your Snowflake account. Log in with your credentials. Select the appropriate database where you want to store the HubSpot data. Create a new table in Snowflake to match your exported data format. Define the columns in your Snowflake table based on the HubSpot data structure. Now, open a new worksheet in Snowflake. Use the copy into command to load your downloaded file into Snowflake. Provide the necessary file path for the data you downloaded from HubSpot. Ensure the data types in Snowflake align with the data in your exported file. If applicable, configure your Snowflake stage area where temporary files reside. Run the command to execute the data import. Monitor the process for any errors or warnings. Once the import is complete, verify that the data appears correctly in your Snowflake table. Conduct a few test queries to confirm the integrity of the data. If everything looks good, you're ready to utilize the HubSpot data within Snowflake. Document the process for future reference or for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.